Yes, welcome back. This is the class 2 of how to design a landing page. And before we go into it, I just brought a reference. I told you landing page is just a a landing page is a page that give you should I say details of whatever you are running, maybe an ads on Facebook. It just give you details of it. Now this is a ads that is running. You can see it's a sponsored ads, and I should show you a landing page. This is it. You can see Easter online coding classes for kids. You see it just has a way of defining what exactly they are doing and giving details of what they are doing. Although I'm just trying to teach you how you can be able to use all the tools on Stripe Builder, so you can be able to design your own. So let's go get into it. So what I have to do is to click on edit with Stripe Builder. Now you have to wait. Stripe Builder is loading. Now the sweetest part about Stripe Builder is that it has already made templates. You can see either you can drag and drop. Once you are dragging and dropping, automatically it's going to be filling in. How do you drag and drop? All this here are basically everything you need to create a website. You see all this here, they have the color bar, they have the responsive, and a whole lot of functionality here. So maybe if I want a paragraph, I'm just going to drag, hold, drag and drop. So you see I can drag and drop. You can see hello world. You see I'm showing you something now. Hello world. Now let me save this. Now do not forget about the URL. Let's not forget about the URL. This is the URL we are using. This is your permalink, which is www.https giftedapple.shop.intro. So let's go and open it in a new tab. Let's see what happens. You can see hello world. You can see the thing have actually happened here. So if I should go back to my Stripe Builder and say okay, let me change this to say welcome. Okay, now let me highlight this. I can put it on capital letter, italic, underline, and let me save. You see, I told you you don't even need to write any code, and this is our site. Let's refresh. Let's see what happens. You can see welcome. So you see how effective Stripe Builder is. It's so simple to use, so effective. But now we'll be using already made template for us to design our own. Now what we are going to do for you to have an already made template, you just have to click on this Stripe Builder landing page. What you have to do is either import a landing page. If you already have a landing page that you have built with Stripe Builder, maybe once we are done building a landing page, I can actually download the script and import it in anywhere I want to import it. But if you have not done that for the first time, you have to choose a landing page. Now you have to just select any landing page of your choice. So you see there are a whole lot of landing page here for you to choose. So I'm just going to select one. Let me select this. Now once I select it, I'm going to go down and click on load landing page. Now I'm going to wait. It's going to load an already made template. Hola, this is an already made template. Now let me save changes. Always save changes. Now let me go back and refresh. Let's see what happens. You see this is our site. You can see how effective this is. Now I'm going to use this already made template to actually do our own landing page. Now what I have to do is click on this. Once you click on this, it's going to tell you select image, change image, make padding, margins, and a whole lot of more. So I can say change image. Now I can say change image to my logo. Do you understand? Change image to my logo. So you have to make sure you have your logo already made. So I'm going to click on this place and click on change image, and either I upload. If it's already on the media, I leave it, but it's not on the media, so I have to upload. I'm going to select. So I'm going to find any logo of my choice for me to upload. Do you understand? So let me just find any logo and see if I can just get anyone. Alright, let me assume this is our logo. I'm going to click on it. Now once I click on it, I'm going to select it, then insert it. You see the logo is too big, so always make sure before you start putting your logo, make sure you reduce the size of your logo with your image. You understand? You need to reduce it by going to image. Everyone has that, so you have to go to image and reduce. So I'm going to select this. What I have to do is I can actually reduce the image from this place. So I'm going to select it and reduce. You see? Now you see it have actually reduced. So once I'm done, I'm going to save changes. So what I have to do is get early access to our new paid app. Alright, you can delete this and say get early access to our web development course. You can see web development course. So once I'm done, I'm going to cancel this. Then you see you can actually make this bold if you want to. You can change the color by just highlighting. You can change the color to whatever you want, and you can also make it okay. Then just say get early access to our web development. Let's use class. Let's just use class. So you see I'm going to select this. I can make it bold. Okay, let's make the D bold. Development class. So you see, always save changes, because if you don't save, it might end up not saving. So, and let me refresh. This is our main page. You can see get early access to our web development class. This is our logo, and you see how it's making sense. So what I have to do is to go back and give a write up here. We give you the best this course offer free tools for your web development journey. Alright, you can see web development journey. So now I can actually make this bold if I want to. You can see, just select, and once I'm done, now what if this wasn't here? Okay, let me take this out. What if this box was not here? Let me cancel it. What if this box was not here? You can actually add box by holding your paragraph, drag and drop. You can see now I can add. You see? So you can actually cancel this if you don't want it. How do you now add yours? You have to go down to button. This is how you add. Drag and drop. You see? Now if you want to customize your button, you just have to click, then you select the color you want to use for your button. You can see it. I've select the style. You have a whole lot of style to choose. You can see different styles. You can see. Now once you are done selecting, you can also select whether you want it small, you see, big, you see, full width, you see, small. You can see. Now the link, when they click here, where do you want them to go? Which I'm going to show you how you can be able to link pages together. Do you understand? Now I'm going to click on this link and delete this and say, and I'm going to delete this. Let me delete this and say start now. Or I can say join. Alright, sorry for that. I can say join now. Oh, sorry, this thing is. So I'm going to say join now. So you can see join now. I'm going to select it, then okay, now I can actually increase the front to maybe 16 or 9 or 18. Okay, so you see, now get early access to our website development class. We give you the best in the course, and we offer free tools for your web development journey. Join now. Okay, you can also click and say join the paid or join the master class. You can see join the master class. Then you can bring in another button, select and make it same, small and full width. Then you can actually change the style if you want. You can see I'm just trying to do this. This is a practical, so I'm not trying to just design, but I'm trying to also design and teach you what exactly I'm doing. So I'm going to click again and say maybe join the WhatsApp group. I know I'm doing this. Join the WhatsApp group. We put this at 19, right? Then let's put this at 19 too. Now we can change the color if we want to. Yeah, so you can see this is actually making sense. Now also, if you want to change the background, just click on the background image. So you really just have to select any background image of your choice. I can actually insert this. You can see I've inserted a background image of my choice. So I'm going to save this and let's go to our main website. So if we give somebody this link /intro, what happens? Now you see this is what happens. Do you understand now? Now you can, let's go back and say okay, we don't want this image. What you have to do is click on this image and you can either remove this image totally, or maybe if you want to remove the image, you can just cancel it from here. The image is out totally. You see the image is out totally. If you don't want that too, you can actually cancel, but you can actually also change the image to what you want. So I can click on change the image. I can say upload, select. I'm going to just go to, maybe if I want to upload this, I will just select on this, and once I select on it, I'm going to now, okay, I'm going to click. Once I click, then I insert. You see automatically this have changed. You see it have changed. So either I leave it like this, or let me just save it. Let me save it like this. So now you can see get early access to our web development course and blah 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 blah. Now you can also add a paragraph above this if you want to. Maybe this paragraph, once you can now bring in your countdown. Let me show you your countdown. It's very nice for you for a landing page. It's supposed to have a countdown. Here is the countdown. So I can click on my countdown. I can drag my countdown to this place, then cancel this. You see now my countdown. What does my countdown do? Many of you must have seen this in the landing page. I'm going to centralize it. This is just like a way of telling people you need to come and subscribe. If this time is called an action, if this time elapses, that means the free or whatever you are doing, it will not be given. Maybe if you are charging 100,000 naira for a course, you can say okay, the first 50 people who pay under this countdown will not be paying 100,000, they will be paying 50,000. So you can actually click on it, then arrange it. How many hours? You can say 19 hours. All right, how many minutes? You can say 59 minutes. Then once you are done, you can just fix in the date, but the date is always correct. So you just go back and save change. So the moment you save change, it's not going to be counting here you are designing, rather it will be counting on your main website. So you see it's counting. You can see it's counting. This is how to design a website. You see, we have not even write any single code, we are designing it. So let's go back again. Now I'm trying to explain this very fast. The next thing we have to look forward to is your action, call to action bar. Now your call to action bar has different, just drag and drop. I want you to play with this. You can see this is a call to action bar. Maybe most of the times they will say let's check the number 2. You can see call to action bar. So it's left for you to add whatever you want to add. Let's check 3. You see, buy it now. You see, this is a call to action bar. This just let people know that oh, you have to just buy it. You see, buy it now. You can see there are a whole lot of action bar here, so you can indicate the one you want. Now you can impute your column and your layer like what they did here. This is one column, this is one, and this is one. So you can say one of two. Now one column, you can indicate your column layers. You can say one of three. How do I mean? For instance, 3 columns. You can see this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. For instance, we use this whenever we want to do a testimony. Now in all these columns, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. You can now impute whatever you want to impute, either a button, either an image, either a text. So I can say, okay, let me just say testimony 1. Alright, let me correct this, sorry. Testimony 1, I'm going to make bold and italic, Ctrl C. Then I'm going to come here, testimony, I'm going to come here, I'm going to delete, I'm going to click and write testimony 2. So I'm going to select, I'm going to make bold, I'm going to make italic, then come here, select testimony 3. Not just testimony alone, I'm going to select, I'm going to make bold, I'm going to make italic. Let's go back, let me show you what they did. Now you see something like this. You can see this is what we are trying to do. So I'm going to copy this. For instance, I'm just using this. Sorry for using this, please. This is just for educational purposes. So I'm going to take a paragraph and make sure it's fall under here. Then I'm going to select, I'm going to place. You can see I'm going to take another paragraph, make sure it falls under this testimony. You see, I'm going to go back and actually copy this, Ctrl C, then I'm going to paste. Alright, so we don't need Facebook, let me cancel it. Now I have to come down here again and copy this, Ctrl C. I'm going to go back, then I'm going to paste. Okay, let me bring in my paragraph again. Let's make sure we cancel this. We are done with this. Let's take this. So let's go back. You just take it close. Whenever you see something like you paste, you come here and you select. You can either centralize it, you can see. So you select this, centralize it. Okay, you select this, you can also centralize it. Now you see we are trying to do something now. What we have to do next is bring in your paragraph again. You see, you just have to drag in. Now I can copy this, what other parents say, Ctrl C. I'm going to come here and paste it, what other parents say. I'm going to select, make bold and centralize it, then give it a color red. Then I'm going to increase the size maybe to 30 or whatever, what other parents say, or 40. You see what other parents say. Now I'm going to save. Do not forget, always save. Now if the distance between here and here is quite far, you can reduce it. So select this. That's the work of your margin and padding. So you can say bottom, you want it 40. You can see it's coming close, you want it 30. You see it's coming close, you want it 20. You see it's coming up. Now that is the work of your margin. So now you can actually, inside these boxes, now you can also put images. You can select image, you can see, you can drag image, click on it. You can drag button, also button, you can drag button too. You see inside it, but we want to drag image, so we can just put the image. So I'm going to click on upload. Let's assume this is one image of the parent. You can see what the parent are saying. I'm going to click upload, select image. So let me just go and find. Alright, I'm going to select this and select this. Let me just use this as the image. So I'm going to select this and open. So let's assume. Now we are dealing on assumption now. So if you are designing yours, I want you to design your landing page for your business. Now this is the image 2 I'm going to upload, and this is the image 3 of the parent. You see, now also I'm going to add the name of the parent. I can say I can come down here. You can also drag in your text again and say, okay, Innocent. Okay, you can see. So To duplicate this, just come down here. You see I've duplicated into 3, then I'm going to carry it, keep here. So you can use different name. Then I'm going to write maybe Peter James. Alright, then James Williams. Alright, these are the names of the parents. You can see them. I can now say save change. Do not forget, always save. So let's go back and refresh. This is our main website. This is how our main website will look like. So let's refresh and see what happens. So anytime someone actually visits our website, this is what they will be seeing. You can see how amazing this is. Now we are building up our website now. What we need to do next is, or what I have to show you next is let me see, all this has work. This is quotes. You can see quotes. You can actually put in quotes. So I would love you guys, I would love you all to actually try to play around with all of this. This is a divider. So they have different kind of divider. You can see this is what divide. You see this line is a divider. So you can select and you can see the line. I can actually divide from here to this place, so I can use divider to divide it. You can see it's kind of dividing. Then next, testimony. You see we even have a testimony template here. So I'm going to drag style 1. Let's see what style 1. You can see testimony. Alright, since I got this course, oh sorry, let me not even stress myself by typing. What I have to do is just come to this our format testimony. Let me just copy. I'm trying to teach you something. Then let's go back to intro. That I'm going to paste. Now this images, choose testimony image. You just click on the image and insert. You see my image is here now. Also I can also change the name. You can see, just come down here. You just to click and delete, then put in my name. Then I'm going to put in what I do. Okay, UX. Okay, web designer. So you see, this is another way of repeating your testimony. Do you understand now? So now you can say content tags. So I'm going to bring in content tags. You can see these are content tags. You see what happens. You see, you can select and add new tags. You see, you can select, you can see what's happening. So this is how you can be able to add your tags. So this first one, I can say list of my courses. List of my courses. Alright, so I can come down here and say web development. I'll come down here again. No, alright, I'm going to come down. You can see list of courses. So I'm going to start. I'm going to select this. So once I'm done, I'm going to press my enter. Then I'm going to write graphics. I'm going to write graphics design. Enter. I'm going to click again. Okay, landing page and sales page. You see, I'm going to press enter. So that is how I'm going to add a whole, and then cancel this now. So anytime somebody comes to my website, let me save now. Don't forget to always save. So now let's go to our website. Let's refresh. So anytime somebody visits my website, it's going to click, it's going to come down. Okay, list of courses. What are the list of courses he's offering? And it's going to click okay, web development, graphic design, landing page. Alright, okay. You see, this is our site now. We are trying to put it together. You can see how very effective this is. Now the distance from here and here is quite far, in which we can still arrange it by clicking on this red line, click on your margin, then you can see the bottom is about 20, so just bring it to 0. Let's go. You see it came up. You can see it came up. So you can also put it minus. The thing also has -10. Let's see, you see it's coming up. So that is how then you save change. Now let's go back. You see the distance. Now let's refresh and see. Wow, it's coming up. You see it's already up. So this is how you can be able to arrange it with the margin. Now what next? There are a whole lot of stuff here. Now let me show you something again to show you how unique this is. You can actually impute your YouTube video, responsive video. So you come to this place, responsive video, drag and drop. So you can drop your video here. No, not this. Responsive video. Alright, click. Now you can drag your video here. You can actually add a video if you have a video offline. Maybe you have a video offline, you can add it here. But if you don't have a video offline, have it online, then you visit your YouTube. I want to show you now how you can copy anywhere the video is. For the fact the video has a link, but I always advise people upload your video to YouTube, then you can copy the link from your YouTube directly to your Strive builder when you're building your website. So let me show you what I mean. Now this is a video. Okay, I'm going to click on this place and click on share. Now I'm going to copy the embedded link. Alright, so I'm going to copy the embedded link. This is what I'm copying, or embedded. So you can actually embed this in, maybe when you are designing a website, these are the link you copy. But let me just copy the normal link which I have already copied. So I'm going to come back to my Strive builder. I'm going to paste the link here. You see, I'm going to paste the link here. Once I paste it, now these are hide related video. You can actually hide related video. Maybe after the video you don't want them to show any other related video, or to hide icon. Yes, you can actually hide this icon here, but we don't need that. You can hide related video, or to hide player control, which is those player control. So you can auto hide it. You don't want those player control to be appearing. You see, play, pause, it will just be playing. Now hide video title bar. You can hide the video title bar, and you can auto play. You want, once somebody just visit your site, you should start playing. Now full screen button. If you want a full screen button, it's fine. So you just need to know what you want. Then once you are done, you are going to just go back and save. So now let's visit our site. Let's visit our site. Wow, this is our site. You can see this is our site. So hello guys, welcome to the iUltimate concept. It's playing concept now, that gives you the best of internet experience. Now on today's tutorial, I want to show you how you can see how amazing this is. Super amazing. So let's play. Let's just one link. Let's just paste this. Let's just post it. Mean to say. So let's go back. Let's go back. You see, this is how you can actually design your site. So there are a whole lot of stuff here. You know, I can't keep on. Okay, let me just write something here. Okay, the first 50 students to buy this course goes home with a prize. I'm going to highlight this. I'm going to make it bold. I'm going to increase the text maybe to 30. Alright, the first 50 students. I can just cancel this. And you see, the first 50 students that buy this goes home with a prize. So I'm just trying to play around. Now let me put a credit card here. You can see this is how to add your credit card. You see credit card. Then you can say, okay, distance from here and here is too far. So let me click on this place, then padding and margin. So I'm going to put -20. Now let's see what happens. You see it's closed now, -20. So the first 50 students to buy this course goes home with a prize. I'm going to select it. I'm going to either make it highlight it and make it red. You can see. So this is a call to action. This is a call to action. Now you can see what's happening. then padding and margin, you can just put this on 0. Okay, also 0. Alright, so this now you can actually leave this again. You can, other than putting that, you see top 53 is too much, so you just reduce this to 10. Yeah, so it's up now. So I'm going to save changes. So let me look for something else now. Star ranking, I can put my star ranking here. You can see star ranking. So once I put it here, I'm going to click how many stars do I want it to show. Maybe 4. You see, this is how it works. Now I'm going to bring in another star ranking again. So how many stars do I want it to show? The 5. I can centralize it. You see, if I want to, I can left centralize it. I can actually put their name up safe if I want to put their name. So it depends on what you actually designing. As I told you, you have leverage to do whatever you want to do. Now your guarantee box is also necessary for a landing page. Let's cancel this. Let's cancel this. Now your guarantee box are normally found below. We have different guarantee box. Now money back guarantee, you can tell them if what you pay for is not what you get, you will refund them back their money. So it's very good. So it's build trust. The person will be like, all right, he's going to refund back my money if the value he's giving out doesn't worth it. So this is 100% or 100 money back guarantee. So you see, I'm going to save this. Now I'm just trying to pick things so you understand how it works. So comments, you can also put in comments. You can see lead generation. So you can also drag your lead generation. You can see somebody can actually sign in lead generation and sign up for your lead generation. So there are a whole lot of stuff here. Page selection. So you see page selection. Somebody can actually maybe demarcate the page. You can see there's a line here. I can actually cancel this. You see this is another way of designing again. And save change. So this line here can serve as another way of designing. So what else haven't I touched? So these are the most important thing you can actually check. You can see price table. You can see maybe you have a price table. You can say, okay, I'm giving silver, okay, 5 GB, blah blah blah, and 5 gig, and 5 gig. Maybe the categories you'll be listing for the person, and the person will now go down and say add to carts and or buy now. He's going to click here, buy now. You can also change this to buy now by clicking on it. Then text buy now. Then now I'm going to save change. Now let me show you on the next class. So I advise you guys, everybody, I want you to rehearse this. I want you to design a original. This is an original website, but I didn't design it. I'm just trying to teach practically on how all of this works. But I want you to settle down and give me a unique website using your domain name, using all these things I have taught. Design your landing page for your business. If you're shopping, you can actually put what you are shopping, shop, buy now. Now on the next class, I'm going to show you how you can be able to attach, how you can be able to link pages together, like for instance, click on this join the master class. You see it's not going anywhere. Join the WhatsApp group, it's not going anywhere. So the thing is really dormant. Buy it now, it's not actually going anywhere. You see it's bringing me back. So how do I link my page together? How do I link it together? That's what I'll be teaching you on the next class. Thank you.